Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to get SharePoint Site ID, URL, 2025. Whether you're a developer, admin, or just someone managing SharePoint sites, knowing how to grab these details is super handy for tasks like automation, integrations, or troubleshooting. Stick around, and in just a couple of minutes, you'll have this down pat. First off, let's talk about getting the site URL. This one's a breeze. Open your web browser and navigate to your SharePoint site. Look at the address bar at the top. That's where your URL lives. For example, it might look something like https://yourcompany.sharepoint.com/sites/your site. Simply copy that entire link, and you're good to go. It's that straightforward, no special tools required. Now, onto the site ID, which is a bit more specific. The site ID is a unique identifier for your SharePoint site, often needed for API calls or custom scripts. To find it, start by logging into your SharePoint site. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From there, select Site Information. Scroll down, and you should see the site ID listed under the site details. If you're using SharePoint Online, make sure you're an admin or have the right permissions. Otherwise, you might need to ask your IT team for access. Pro tip: if you're working with PowerShell or the SharePoint REST API, you can also retrieve the site ID programmatically, but for most users, the web interface is the easiest route. Remember, SharePoint updates might slightly change interfaces, so if things look a tad different in 2025, double-check Microsoft's documentation. And there you have it. 2 simple ways to get your SharePoint site ID and URL. This knowledge can save you tons of time in your daily workflow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.